What a crazy day we had in the stock market. Almost $4,000 in day trading profit for myself, and a lot of people made a lot of money on the team. Let me show you how and put you on some free games so you can do it too. Let's go.
Now I rep the O, what you know about the west side? I just bought a whip, all in cash, live my best life. Bought a couple stocks, so I'm covered for the next 5. I don't like the top, but I know if you test me.
What is going on, my friends? It's your boy Jdun, Trades with Team Bull Trading, and I hope you all had a great day. We are live and back on the money grind with a critical day trading recap and a stock market update. So in this video, we're going to go over a day trading recap, the exact trade that caused this to happen.
Did we or did we not just cash the top on SPY? Are we printing? Is the chat going nuclear? Are the puts going crazy? Can you let me know? Some good karma for some more green trades. Let's go.
And that made me almost $4,000 myself, a stock market update, where we go in the overall market, where are we headed going forward, and some other tips and tricks to help you make more money day trading and in the stock market. So my fellow friends and future millionaires, if you like making money, if you enjoy transparent trading, and if you get some value from this video, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button in the bottom right corner. Let's get rich together. Now, looking at this overall market, we came into a big area of supply today, this 410 area. We're going to get to that in just a second. But as far as a day trading recap, big trade for the day was on SPY puts. Now, when I trade intraday, I keep the 8-day EMA on, and I keep my VWAP on. Those are my two main intraday indicators. Although if you watch this channel, you know that I don't trade primarily off indicators. I use them as confirmation. So, looking at this chart, we're kind of back and forth the first 20-25 minutes. We saw this big spike up on data to 410, which I was so upset about because I didn't get a chance to grab puts up here. Been talking about that for weeks on the channel, and it was literally so fast. If you go to the 1 minute chart, it was literally a tick like, it was like ready, boom, boom, up. Just, instant algo move up and down. Didn't give anyone a chance to get puts up there. So that was not the move. However, what I did get to grab was this. So I was watching SPY on the 5 minute and the 1 minute chart. Now, looking at this on the 5 minute chart, we came down and we touched this 408 area multiple times. So I was already looking at this for a break below for puts to the downside, as that was our intraday support. We were looking weaker and weaker going towards it. Now, looking at this 5 minute chart as well as the 1 minute, I noticed on our 5 minute chart, let me go ahead and throw these indicators up over here too real quick so we can get the full picture of what I was looking at. 5 minute chart, we had our 8-day EMA and our VWAP right around 408.5. Okay, so second on that, we came down, touched close to 408 area right here, bounced back up on lowering volume. So at this point right here, I tell the team multiple times before, and as it happens, I'm watching for the 407 puts, watching for puts on the next pop-up on lower volume. Gets up here, I tell the team I'm entering puts, and we absolutely start printing to the downside. These contracts went over 100% by the time it was all said and done, and even more on 0 DTE. Now, looking at this, very straight to the point trade. We saw the trend intraday. We hit this resistance up here at 410, showed weakness down, tested the support, showed a small bounce up on weak volume, and then a flush down. And that's where my risk reward was. I'm always looking for, hey, where can I get a better probability of going down or up than the vice versa, and I take that trade. So it was awesome seeing so many people on the team live trading, making money myself after a 40K day yesterday. I sized down big time today, so it was still nice to stay green and end the week pretty much on a strong note. So that being said, day trading recap taken care of, done for. Let's talk about what to expect going forward in this overall crazy market. So we came up as expected, as we've been talking about, to this 410 area, matched this trend line, and rejected back down a few points. Now, not as big of a rejection as we would have liked, but we'll see how that comes to play in the coming days, tomorrow, and then the following Monday. So looking at this, bounced this nicely, came up, touched it literally to a T at 410, and bounced down. And now the question remains, do we come up and test this again, or do we start the same trend we've seen multiple times and head back down? Well, personally, I think that if we come back up and test this, 410 to 412, it's not necessarily invalid to try puts, but I wouldn't be surprised to see an overshoot to 420. Now, I still think the bottom's not in. I still think that we have more room down to go, but it's a matter of when can we get in without getting stopped out on the way back down. So I don't think it's a bad idea for myself, at least, to try puts in this area. I would have tried it today with a longer dated expiration, but we had about half a millisecond to do that. So I currently want to watch that, want to watch for price action. And here I want to see some more reversal candles in this area, especially on the daily and weekly chart. Then I think we go from there and deciding where we go for these next, week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. So this is the area. If you're a bear, you're in your prime territory, fam. We're at that trend line. We are going to have a lot of work to do on inflation. I think this might be the area where you try something, but don't be surprised if we see an overshoot up here, a squeeze up to like 416, 417, 420, squeeze some weak hands out, and then see a move back down as well. So I'm not counting out either way. I still am slightly bearish overall in this market, but short term, again, I'm mixed ways intraday. I guess like half and half, you could say. I'm trying to think of the words to put it. But I think that we could see a little more move up. But I think overall macro picture, we see a move down. So again, make sure to keep that price action on. Keep studying up every single day. If you're watching these videos, you already have a good start. Hopefully, we've helped a ton of you guys learn. That's my mission, baby. We're getting ripped. We're getting rich all 2023. And the next mastermind for anyone who has asked starts January 1st. So I will attach the link to enter the waitlist below. It's going to be very limited. And of course, I will always teach on this YouTube channel for free, 100% forever. So that being said, God bless. I will see you guys probably Saturday or Sunday. I'm going to take tomorrow off, go ski, live a good life, enjoy it, and I'll see you guys soon. God bless. Peace.